So there's the KO Lightning exhaust on my 2021 Yamaha MT07, and it's been a little bit over a year. I'm gonna do a little bit of a 1 year review, even though it's been over a year. Get you some good sound bites on the way home. Wind's blowing a little bit today, but not too bad. So the KO Lightning exhaust, I've had a couple people comment here and there saying that, you know, they didn't want to spend the money on the high dollar stuff. That's the reason why I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to spend $900, $1,000 on an Acro or a M4 or Two Brothers exhaust, because that's kind of where they sit. And I didn't understand why anybody would want to spend 1/10 of the bike's cost just for exhaust. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. I will say that the durability of this KO Lightning exhaust has been right on par with some of the major brands that I've installed on other motorcycles and on other MT07, FC07 bikes. That in my video about the Power Vision and my final thoughts on everything, I did mention that, you know, how I'd seen higher dollar exhaust, more name brand stuff rust out after less than a year, and this stuff still looks exactly like it did when I put it on a year and a half ago, or a year, 100 days ago, whatever it is. So I don't know, man. You want to spend $1,000 on your bike for nothing? Go ahead and do it. I don't see the point. Like, these systems seem to do just fine. No, the muffler or can or whatever you want to call it down there does not have the same deep throaty voice, you know, tone that like a Two Brothers would have. I feel like a lot of that has to do with the amount of fiberglass that's in that can. Like if we took it apart and repacked it, it may actually sound quite a bit better. And that may be a future video that I'm looking at doing here pretty quick, because it does have some resonating noises at high RPM sitting at idle. Now, going down the road, sounds great, but sitting still, revving it up, somewhere around 7,500, 8,000 RPM, it just has a real weird, ringy noise. But other than that, it's great. It doesn't leak. It's not rusting. It's held its place like it's supposed to. I hadn't really had to tighten anything up. It's just been there, so. You be the judge. I think they're up to $180 now. When I first bought this, it was $155. But you be the judge. 180 bucks. You're not out much if it doesn't work out for you, and may just like it. All right, so yeah, here's the end of my video. I just wanted to go back and say again, it's held up great. It's still there. I just got home from that ride. It's cold now, so it's on there. It hasn't moved at all. It could be cleaned. Like, it's got some bluing and some stains on it here and there. But yeah, KO Lightning exhaust, 2021 Yamaha MT07. As far as I know, it'll fit most MT07, some FC07. So yeah, like I said in the first video, get you one.